Well, Palanga is vacuuming. She decided to clean up the house. It's a little messy. So she said, get me this vacuum here. I'll clean up the mess. She said, we gotta get this place cleaned up before Christmas starts. Do our fall cleaning. She loves to clean this house because she said it's very messy. Are you vacuuming? She wants to see herself. She thought if she looked around this side of the camera, she'd see herself. Na na na. What? You're vacuuming, yeah. Wow, what a good vacuumer you are. Look at that. What a good job. Wait. Wait, hang on. Who do you want to see? Tell me who you want to see. Who do you want to see? Who do you want to see? Huh? There's nothing there. You're on the other side looking in. You're on the other side looking in. Palanga's looking. I'm recording right now, and Palanga's looking because she wants to see the baby vacuuming. But the baby who's vacuuming is actually right here. Right, baby?
I gotta finish this one.
Now Mom and Palanga are fighting over the vacuum. They had a fight. Palanga won. Very aggressive when it comes to cleaning the house. She said nobody could do the job the way she does it. Mama tried to do it, but she said nobody can clean the way I clean. And while she's cleaning, she's watching her favorite television program, Peppa Pig. Well, Palanga, you did a really good job, and you're doing a good job, and I'm going to let you get back to your work. So you have a good day cleaning, and we will get back to you the next time. Bye-bye. 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 Vacuuming.